Hi, first grade mathematicians. Happy Monday. Welcome back to school. And for math today, our learning target is counting on using pennies. Look, I have a penny here. What do you know about pennies? Why would we use pennies? How much are pennies worth? I wonder. Let's see. Our essential question says, how do I use strategies to, and this is add numbers. What strategies can I use to add numbers? Our quick check today is a test practice. 3 plus 8 equals what? Now remember on Friday, we talked about using, when we're adding, starting with the larger number. And look at this. I already underlined the larger number. What's the larger number, 3 or 8? Yes, 8 is larger or greater than 3. So let's start with 8. Here I have 8 fingers. And let's use that strategy of counting on. So we're going to count on and add 3 more. Okay, what would the sum be? Yes, there it is. Did you get that? Yep, it's not 10, it's not 9, and it's not 4. We already started with 8. 11. Let's use pennies now to model counting on from any number. Okay, so, I'm thinking of a number. And I'm going to put some pennies up here. Let's see what number I'm going to start with. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to start with 4 pennies. And let's count on 2 more. Let's add 2. So if we have 4, and then we want to count on, we have 4, and we're going to add 2. What comes after 4? We need to add 2 more. 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 4 plus 2 is 6. If we had 4, we counted on and added 2 more. A penny has a value of only 1 cent. You can count on by ones to add pennies. Okay, you can see on this picture here, it's showing the head side of a penny that has a famous president on it, and the tail side has a little building on it and says 1 cent. If we look at this group of pennies and we count the group of pennies and then count on to add, let's see, there's 7 and then there's 1 more. So if we have 7 and then we're adding 1 more, 7, what comes after 7? 8. So 7 plus 1 is 8. All right, mathematicians, let's take a look at some problem solving here and how we can use pennies or counters to add on. It says Enrique has 9 pennies. In his left pocket, he has 2 more pennies in his right pocket. How many pennies does he have in all? So if he has 9, right now I'm just going to draw 9. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, these are pennies. Ooh, I'm going to show you. I forgot to do this. I'm going to draw a P for penny and then a circle around it. So we have 9 pennies, right? And he has 2 more in his right pocket. How many pennies does he have in all? Well, if we have 9 and we're going to count on, so I'm going to put these 2, 9. What comes after 9? 10. comma, and then what? 11, right? So 9 plus 2, he has 11 pennies. And we just counted on 9, 10, and one more, 11. Good. So mathematicians, now it's your turn to practice counting on. And think of pennies because pennies are only worth 1 cent. And when you're counting on right now, we're counting on by 1, 2, 3. We're counting on by ones. Okay? Now, we don't have a paper copy of the lesson that you're going to do today, but the assignment is posted on Seesaw. So take some time to work on that. Try to get that done today on Monday or by Tuesday so we can see all your hard work on counting on. All right. See you later.